Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create a top bar in your website. As you can see that here we have a top bar with phone icon, and then we have email ID, and then we have followers of different social icons. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can create this top bar in our site. As you can see, we have only a header, we don't have any top bar. So now let's start creating this top bar in our site. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become a part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating it. So how we can achieve this top bar? To achieve this top bar, now again we are in the dashboard. So here I am using this element kits where I have already created my header in it. So you can see that I have my header. So let me open my header in this Elementor page builder. So now I can create the top bar in this Elementor only. So here before the header I want this top bar. So what I will do, again I will drag a intersection in it, and I will just drag my header intersection towards down, and now at the top we have our top bar intersection. So here in this top bar intersection, let's go to the advanced tab and let's give a top 10 pixel of padding and a bottom 10 pixel of padding. After giving a 10 pixel of top and bottom padding, now let's start creating this inner. So first of all, we have a intersection with 2 column. All right, so now let's start creating this. So now if you will notice in the first top bar, we have this mobile icon, and then we have a mobile number, and then we have this what we call this envelope icon, and then we have our email ID. So now let's start creating. So now first of all, what I will do, let me go to the widget section, and here I will search for an image. So once you will get an image, let me drag it to the first column, and here I will set a phone icon like this. So here you can set a different icons like this. I have uploaded this one, so that's why I'm using this, but you can use any of the other phone icon. So here after getting, now you can see it is looking very like let me set the image size to full, and then what like I want set it as a custom URL, and then here I will select a dynamic tag, and then here if you will notice we have a contact URL over here. So let me find that one. Here we have a site URL pop up, this one contact URL, and in this contact URL we can set the type of contact URL as telephone, and then we can give a telephone number, whatever number you want to give it over here like this. All right, now let's go to the style tab, and here what I will do, I will again change the width percentage to 100 and then max width to 20 pixel, so that the image size will look smaller. And then I just want to go to this advanced tab and unlink the margin and padding. I just give it top -4 of top padding, and then what I will do in the positioning, I will set this width to inline auto, so that it will come near this. After that so if you will know, I can also increase it to little bit 22 also, and then now I need a text. So again what I can do, I can drag a text editor after it, and then here I can give it a number +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like this. And then again for this, again I will go to this advanced, in positioning width I will set it as inline auto, so that this text will appear after the image. And then for this, again what I will do, in the advanced tab I want to give it a left margin of 10 pixel, so that there will be a gap between the image and the text. And then margin top, I want to give it a top 1 pixel of margin, and let me remove this margin also, so that it will look fine. Now you can see I am getting this phone icon and then my phone number. So you can change, don't focus on the typography, you can change the typography anytime. Like this, let me show you here in the typography. You can set it, let me set it as 1 em of typography, and then line height I want to make it 1.5 em of line height. Letter spacing, let's make it 0 because we don't want any letter spacing. And here you can give it a custom, like whatever number you want to give, you can give it. In the same way, what I will do, I can duplicate this mobile icon and I can place it, or if you will notice, we have to add one line before it. So how we can achieve that line? So I have one image already with the name like line image. So I can insert that line image, and then I can give it a size of custom size, and where I will give it a width 1 and a height of 21. And then like you can remove these URL because we don't want to give any URL to this line, so that's why I have removed it. And then now we can go to this style part of it, and max width we can set it as 1 pixel. And then we can go to this advanced tab, and here we can give it a left and right margin so that there will be a space between them. So right 30 pixel of margin and left 30 pixel of margin, so that there will be equal distribution. In the same way, I can again duplicate it, and instead of this phone, I can use this any, let it be, I don't have uploaded all the icons, that's why now I am using this icon. So now you can see, like this icon, like this map icon will come over here. So let me set it as full, and then here again I will give it a 22, like this, how we have given it to this one. And here we don't need any margin, that's why I have removed it. Now you can see we got that, and in the same way I can duplicate this text and I can put it after the map. And here you can give your whatever email ID, like info@this cmsguys.com. In this way you can give it. And then we have to set a margin. So for this again, left margin and everything is fine. So if you will notice, now we got it. And then here, if suppose this one is an email, right? So you can go to this content and you can give it an email like custom URL, and then you can select a dynamic tag, and here again you will get a contact URL in the pop-up. Let me go to the where we will get it, that contact URL. Let me find that one, this one. And then here in this contact URL setting, I will set it as email, and then here I can give my email and everything, whatever I want to set. All right, now we got it. So on the right side we need these followers and then these social icons. So again, this follow us is only a text, so I can copy this text from here and I can paste it here, and I will change the title to follow. Let me follow us, and like this. And I will remove all this margin because I don't need any margin. And here what I need to do is I want to set this alignment to the right align, so that the text will be appear on the right side of it. So here if you will notice, it is not coming in it, it is not going towards right. So what I can do, I can go to this column setting, and vertical aligned it should be middle, and horizontal aligned I will make it as end. Here for this one, vertical aligned I will keep it as middle, so that it these will come in the middle. And here what I will do, margin top, I don't want to give it any margin. I will go to the style tab, and I will reduce my line height, so that it will, I will reduce my line height. Let me make it line height to 0.1, or let me give it a line height of 1 only. We can test it over here, like 0.9 is also fine. I will copy the style and right click and paste the style over here, like this. And then after this followers text, I need these social icons. So how I can do that one? Again, I will search here for social icon, just drag it under followers, and then here we can set it like type of social icons we need. So here if you will whatever link you want to give it over here, you can give it in the social icons. After that now let's move to the alignment. I want to give it a right align. And then in the style part, I want to if you want to set it as any of this custom color, so you can give it a custom color. And you can suppose there is a yellow color, right? Let me give it a yellow color only. So like this you can give it a yellow color to it. And then here you can set the size of it. So let me give it a size of 18 pixel. I don't need any padding, that's why I have removed the padding. And I will give a spacing between them as 33. And then row gap, no need to do anything with the row gap because we don't have any row. For this again I will go to this advanced tab, and in the positioning I will set the width to inline auto, and then you will find that it is coming at the center of it. So now what I need to do, I have to go to this text editor. For this one also again I need to set it as 0.9, and then I would like to give it a margin towards the right so that there will be a gap between this followers text and this social icon. Similarly for this social icons I want to give it a 10 pixel towards left so that there will be a constant gap. So now if you will notice with this we have completely created this what we call this one as the top bar. And one more thing which is left is, as you can see, we are not getting a divider over here like this in our top bar. So how we can get that divider in the top bar? So for this divider we need to create a border, or what we can do, we can use a divider directly between these two intersection. And we can give it like whatever color or anything we want, like here it should be 100%. And then we can change the color, like I just want to make it little bit transparent, so let it be this much transparent. And then whatever weight, and I don't need any gap, I will make the gap to 0. And now let's check. So this is what we are getting, right? So now let it be let's change to 1 only. Let's check. So here in this positioning I just want to make them center so that these should come in the center. Alright, now let's whatever vertical alignment should be middle, horizontal alignment should be start. Okay, now update it, and with this we have completed our header. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.